grocery, things of home tutorial. Materials: cutboard, ruler, cutter, scissors, pencil, and airsole pen, glue and black marker, contact paper and lustre paper blue and yellow, small pictures and large, cut 24 rectangles and cutboard with the desired measures. In this case is cover white, the paper lustre yellow, the rectangles big. Cut 15 rectangles of cardboard with the desired measure. In this case is draw with the rule horizontal and vertical. Cut small images. Pasting picture. Write the names of the pictures in English. Steps to build the box pass or construct. Will cardboard first. We will draw 12 templates part of the house. Later we will cut each piece. So below we unite the piece so that we have the base of the house. Now we will cut 2 rectangles so that by joining a large rectangle left and this could be managed so that it accommodates as the roof of the house. Then we add the boxes for use in issue. Bedding the line in the house, we use gloss paper. Also, we will use a cutter and redraw pen and paper templates of each piece of the house. We will cut each piece in put glue and will remain. Now we are making and killing with graph paper glow skateboard home. Cut a large rectangle so that it covers 2 cardboard boxes that are already at. We'll put glue on the roof. Pose the piece of glue of the roof. Start building decorations. We will use colored paper, blue sky, foamy white, brown and yellow. The door will, in our case, this way. A window is almost on top of the house. Other windows that enter at the side of the house will draw the template and each edge will cut with the cutter.